Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get 35 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certificate. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also press on bell icon and switch to all to never miss the update. Also join my social media group for daily course update. In previous video, I have given 50 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is Lead Code in Java Algorithm Coding Interview Question. In this course, you will solve easy to hard difficulty problem, how to solve some classical coding interview question, how to breaking down the coding interview problem in a decomposition manner, strengthen your problem solving skill. These courses in 21.5 are on-demand video, 120 and downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobility and certification completion. The next course is Business Analytics with Python 2021. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of Python programming, understand the basic statistical concept to prepare reports for the multiple types of data, comprehend to solve and complex problem by learning Python, learn the different operators that can help in performing the task, gain an understanding of building and deploying machine learning web app, acquire the knowledge of building map plot and put it forward online, get the skill to make a confident decision, learn about applied machine learning with Python that would solve your business administration problem, acquire knowledge in solving real linear problem in production management, gain an understanding in making goal-oriented strategy for business. These courses in 21.5 are on demand with full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is SEO tutorial for beginner 8-hour full course. In this course, you will learn SEO, keyword research, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, how you can rank number one on the Google and YouTube. These courses is 8-hour on demand with full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is the complete JavaScript with HTML5, CSS3 from 0 to Expert 2021. In this course, you will learn great skill set like HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap framework. You will see the complete web development process from start to finish project. You will learn about the media query and will be able to make website perfect for responsive design. You will learn about the web design guidelines which you can apply in real world project. You will be able to build a modern looking website which will great on the small and wide screen. You will be able to complete a code for real responsive website. This course in 17.5 are on demand with full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is SQL Bootcamp with MySQL, PHP, and Python 5 course in 1. In this course, you will do the basic and complex query using SQL, PHP, and Python project with SQL. Master yourself in MySQL, basic and advanced understanding of PHP. These courses in 3 are on demand with full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certificate completion. The next course is Drupal for Absolute Beginner 2021. In this course, you will understand ins and out of Drupal. You will be able to build your own Drupal website. You will be able to manage your Drupal site. You will be able to install Drupal computer. You will be able to create content on your Drupal site. You will be able to create a layout from your Drupal site. You will be able to install, update, and Drupal modules. You will be able to install, update, and Drupal theme. This course is 1.5 are on demand with full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is R programming for Absolute Beginner. In this course, you will work with vector, matrix, and slice, work with vector, work with complex programming structure, build their own function and binary operators, work with string, create a chart in base R. These courses in 9.5 on demand 12 article, 11 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is complete WordPress website developer course. In this course, you will learn create a beautiful blog, stunning website, and paying e-commerce website, master the WordPress for building and fixing website, set up a domain and hosting with no orders, migrate your WordPress website in click, and much more. This course in 3.5 are on demand with full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is YouTube SEO course, how to rank 1 on YouTube in 2020. In this course, you will learn to proven step-by-step strategy that can implement right now and rank your video in the first page of the YouTube in 2020. You will also learn how to create stunning YouTube thumbnails that will draw your attention to YouTube viewer. How to do a keyword research, how to optimize title, text, and description, how to use top SEO tool for YouTube. You will know how to rank your YouTube without having any skills. These goes into our on-demand video, 3 articles, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course, e-commerce website with WooCommerce, build an e-commerce store. In this course, you will learn how to build e-commerce store with WooCommerce, learn about theme, learn about product and product attribute, learn about setup WooCommerce, learn to how to automate WooCommerce work. These courses in one on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Ultimate WordPress Optimization 2020. In this course, you will learn complete optimization on a WordPress, how to speed a WordPress website, how to take backup of WordPress website, how to optimize the WordPress website for SEO, how to improve security on your website, how to get free SSL certificate for your WordPress website. This course in 2.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent mobility, and certification completion. The next course is the Complete Cybersecurity Guide for Beginner 2021. In this course, you will become a cybersecurity expert, learn to fight black hat hackers, protect yourself, analysis, and destroy malware. This course is 15.5 on-demand video, 35 articles, 75 downloadable resources, full practices, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, assignment, and certification completion. The next course is Artificial Intelligence in Digital Marketing. In this course, you will learn what is AI and machine learning. Google is the first AI company preparing for semantic search, big data, computer version, advertising, email marketing, chatbot, developing your AI skill using SQL, how to future-proof your market. This course is on on-demand video, one downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next was a complete guide to Tailwind Master Pinning Test with Tailwind. In this course, you will learn what is Tailwind, how to use all the Tailwind features, how to implement Tailwind in practice of pinning test. This course is 3.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Social Media Marketing course, the step-by-step guide. In this course, you will learn what is social marketing and what isn't, 8 reasons why you need to do social media marketing, modify your social media marketing campaign based on your online business type, the classic way to do social media marketing, and why to waste money on your time, how to do niche research and targeting the right way, reverse engineer competitor tops content. These courses into our on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Affiliate Marketing Masterclass Step-by-Step Guide 2020. In this course, you will learn how to affiliate marketing work, how to drive more traffic to affiliate product, picking a niche based on ROI, picking right affiliate marketing, traffic generation, earn more and more sales with less effort. This course is one on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Facebook Ads 101 Complete Facebook Ads and Marketing course. In this course, you will avoid common mistakes that can cost beginner a fortune, generate your own lead to increase monthly sale, reduce ad cost in the advanced step, target new feature, start a Facebook Ads business, paid traffic mindset, how you are targeting, who you are targeting. This course is one on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Marketing Success with the Power of Social Media Stories. In this course, you will learn specifically what story is, and how to create a story, and how to have a hug success using story to grow your audience, and how to increase a brand loyalty, how to promote yourself using stories just like a major brand do. This course is one on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course will learn Excel from beginner to advanced with example. In this course, you will learn basic Excel equation widely used in email shooting by using VBA directly from Excel to specific user and on experience on Excel with understanding to shortcut, analytical dashboard creation, data filtration, border SR number, format painter, code using in VBA, function today and equation, adding command $understanding, data validation, drop down, list creation, if nested, if command, use of conditional formatting with example, remove duplicate value in Excel, automated border, where data available, understanding of VLOOK, index match, equation, data filter, data analysis data, bar chart, pie chart creation, dashboard, VBA form creator, password program shooting directly from Excel. These courses in 4.5 are on-demand video, 9 downloadable series, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and assignment and certification completion. The next course is the complete Microsoft SharePoint Masterclass. In this course, you will learn SharePoint Online, SharePoint 2016, SharePoint 2019, Microsoft SharePoint 365. These courses will share on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification completion. The next will learn Six Sigma Green Belt certification and training. In this course, you will learn Six Sigma Green Belt to apply and grow your career, practical explanation on concept with exam. This course is 21.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Agile Project Management, Agile, Scrum, Kanban, and XP. In this course, you will learn everything you need to get started with Agile Project Management, Scrum, Kanban, and XP. This course is 4.5 hour on-demand video, 11 articles, 2 downloadable series, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Relative Strength Index, RSI, Technical Analysis Index. In this course, you will learn how to check if the momentum with your forex or stock trade or against it. Student will get complete training system from scratch. Understand the basic and advanced concept of RSI indicator. Know about the use of RSI in different trading market. This course in 2 hour on-demand video, 3 articles, full lifetime access, extra warranty, assignment and certification completion. The next course is Best SAP FICO video tutorial for beginner and fresher. In this course, you will learn SAP Business Analytics to improve financial activity, configure and implement for SAP FICO module, be able to take SAP FI exam, be able to work as a both SAP end user and consultant, understand how the required business process under the SAP. End of and implementation of SAP FICO in SAP. This course in 48 hour on-demand video, 7 articles, 20 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification completion. The next course is how to make a passive income with Bitcoin lending. In this course, you will learn how to use cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, how to lend Bitcoin using third-party website to generate passive income, how to set up a business PayPal account, how to purchase Bitcoin using limit order and without fees, how to automate the entire system so you can earn things and you love while earn money passively and automatically. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, 2 articles, 1 downloadable series, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification completion. The next course you learn basic of Adobe Photoshop CC 2021 for beginner. In this course you will learn detailed understanding of Photoshop, layer property, layer panel, and layer marks. Perfect your selection with selection tool, how to save and export image from a web and print. This course in 36 minutes on-demand video, 4 articles, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification completion. The next course is OBS Studio Ultimate Live Stream Guide for OBS Studio. In this course, you will start live streaming and recording onto Twitch, YouTube, Mixer, and more using open broadcast software. This course is 2.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification completion. The next one is earn 27 ways to make money online with smartphone. In this course, you will learn over 27 different ways to make money with your smartphone. See 7 apps to make money while doing sleep. Learn which techniques pay the most money. Learn how to use web that can pay over more than money. Find out the easiest way to make money with smartphone. This course is 2.5 hour on-demand video, 6 articles, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification completion. The next course is work from home. Start a successful home business for senior. In this course, you will learn if you are senior citizen, you should definitely look to working from home using internet. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, 1 downloadable series, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification completion. The next course is modern vlogging guide. Make money from vlogging. In this course, you will learn what is vlogging, idea for profitable vlog, starting a successful vlog, creating great videos, optimizing with your YouTube video, promoting your vlog, free for growing your YouTube channel, way to monetize your vlog best practice. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification completion. The next course is ClickBank Affiliate Marketing Secret Home Business Success. In this course, you will learn money without keeping inventory of any physical and digital product. Promote your own ClickBank affiliate offer to earn commission find the hottest product on CleanBag to promote, query answer marketing, Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, niche selection. These courses are on demand with full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Fiverr, how to start a freelancing career with Fiverr. In this course, you will learn how to research and find the best-selling Fiverr gigs, how to create Fiverr gigs like a pro, how to make money on Fiverr even if you don't have any skills, how to use successfully hack Fiverr top seller to ensure more sales, how to get more sales on Fiverr, how to make a reduced income and micro job site. These courses are on demand with full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Robo Content Writing Automation 2021 Part 5. In this course, you will learn write an original fictional story based on text adventure using cloud-based AI tools, understand a problem that a typical writer and novelist face at all times, automated poetry writing using an incredible app that leverages machine learning capabilities to automatically autocomplete poems. These courses are on demand with full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Robo Content Writing Automation 2021 Part 4. In this course, you will learn particular AI-powered content writing tools to help you to write faster and better in 2021. These courses are on demand with your full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Robo Content Writing Automation 2021 Part 3. In this course, you will learn write ebooks using AI technology in multi-minute. This course is on demand with your full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is what we can learn from cinema theater about depression. In this course, we will learn relevant science of depression and able to do it, know how to help each other about depression, how depression is linked to decluttering, the cluttering depression and extreme cycle, how the cinema reduce depression, impact on horror films on depression, how to perform art, mental mental health. This course is 4.5 on demand with 9 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam mobility, and certification completion. The next course is budgeting your personal life, finance, and saving more. In this course, you will take control on your personal finance budget. This course is 39 minutes on demand with 2 downloadable resources, and practice such full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is English tense structure, upgrade your understanding. In this course, you will learn tense structure of both English and Arabic speaker. These courses are on demand with 2 article 36 downloadable resources, full lifetime exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Chinese for character you must know for HSK 3, HSK 4, Volume 70. In this course, you will understand the only language without alphabet, learn how to write Chinese using animation, learn to secret to learn Chinese character where you created, decode Chinese, learn radicals, know a basic rule of how to characters are created, know the basic 7 rules to character are written, learn pronunciation system and know how to read correctly, know the right path of the future study and better with us. Of course, these courses are on demand with full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. All the course links are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.